Can positive thinking really cure depression and will help you to become happy forever? Does it really happen that everyone comes and tell, hey, you are not looking good, you are not looking well today, why are you thinking negative? Think positive and become happy. Is it really the case? Is it really the reality? Does it really happen? What everyone tells you, what is happiness? If you'll ask someone, you know what happiness is. Connecting with real self, higher self. Money is not everything. Money is not everything. You need to connect to your higher self, and you need to do that. You need to do this. You need to think positive to feel happy. But how far is it correct? And since a person who is into psychology for last 7 years, I can say this is wrong. This is completely wrong, and it is partially correct. How? Suppose if I am feeling bad, if someone tells me, hey, you start worshipping God, you will feel happy, you go on every Tuesday or every Thursday there and do something like you need to do certain kinds of steps to feel happy, and you will start feeling happy. Just as an example, and suppose I don't believe in God only, will that ever work for me? I have seen a lot of people telling a lot of things which our mind does not believe in, and they tell a lot of things. So for a certain thing to work, we need to believe on that thing. And if a person is just telling us to think positive, will it really help me to overcome depression? The answer is no. Why the answer is no? Because suppose if I will feel that yes, money means something, then I cannot just think positive and then become happy. I need to have the money to feel happy. Positive thinking will not help me here. Suppose if I will fracture my hand and some person will tell, hey, think positive. No, why are you thinking negatively? Obviously thinking positively will help me, but the problem is still there. The problem is still there. I will not study for my exams. I will not work where I am working. I'll not work over there, and I will feel that yes, my appraisal will be good. Will it ever happen? The answer is always no. It will never ever happen. So I am not underestimating the positive thinking. Yes, it will help you. I have also made a video on the same. You can check the description. Link will be there. But again, thinking positive, what will happen if you will start thinking positive? You will start ignoring the problem. You will start ignoring the problem. So suppose what does more people want? Like I have a good relationship. And if in a good relationship, if relationship is not going good, instead of talking to the person, instead of talking to the two persons who are involved in relationship, a third person is telling this person, like a person A, hey, think positive, nothing will happen. Here thinking positive will not help this person. Why? Because this person may be a cheat, like he may be a cheater. He is cheating on that person. He or she is cheating on that person. It can be the case. So thinking positive does not help this person. So what this person needs to do? He needs to talk to the person. Why are we always quarreling? Why all those sort of things are happening? That will help to cure depression of this person. Not thinking positively. If a person needs to have money, then positive thinking will not help that person. That time what a person needs to do? That person needs to do is to buy the books like 4-Hour Work Week, $100 Startup, Think and Grow Rich. Like these are few of the classic books that I am finding in this time. You need to read those books to get out of the depression and start applying those things, not listening to any other thing and thinking positively. Thinking positively will help you, but not that much. And even after consulting 150 plus people and reading psychology for last 7 years, I actually started to feeling stressed and depressed because I was working in an MNC. And what I wanted is that I wanted something of my own. Even after having good package, even after having a lot of good things from there, I was not feeling happy and I was feeling depressed. You know why? Because my thinking, what I wanted was different thing. Positive thinking would not have helped me there, and that's why I quit my job also. That was the reason I quit my job, and I loved psychology. I loved this. So that's why I completely came over here, so that yes, I will do something on my own here. And yes, their positive thinking helped me a bit, not all the actions. I'm not telling you to leave the job. I'm just telling you to think logically a bit, and then you just have. So the task for the video is you have to find out why are you feeling bad. Which of the things that was happened in the past that you are feeling bad about? It may be that you need some money, you need a good relationship. You have to think and find about it and then work on that to get out of it. Not positive thinking, not at all. And about quitting my job, before quitting my job, it took me like 2.5 years to quit my job. I took a proper knowledge like what I need to do after quitting my job, how I will survive. So all those things happened, which I will talk like sometimes later or in future videos. And so you need to do the same. But before that, you have to find out what is the really thing that is bugging you. And in the course of the 7 years, I have also written a book, Big Depression. There I have assimilated everything that I knew about reading 1000 plus or 2000 plus articles on psychology, bad moods, depression, and number of books I have assimilated in a like short PDF, so that it will help you to get out of depression. I have written the book, and also it is available in PDF because many people don't want others to know that they are feeling depressed, they are feeling bad, so that it will help you. It can be in your mobile, you can read it anytime you want, in your laptop you can read it anytime you want. And also if you want to talk to me, I have like 100% success rate with all my 150 plus clients. I have 100% success rate. So I talk to only 4 persons at max, and post that I don't take any other person to talk to them and to consult them. So you want to talk to me, you can go to the link, you can click and register yourself there, and there are only 4 slots available, post which you have to wait to talk to me. So thank you friends. If you liked the example, if it hit your mind that yes, this thing can help me, then please like the button and subscribe the channel. It will help me to boost my morale. And thank you. We'll see you on the next video.